Before we look at the variables we're going to be playing with, I want to share with you a bit about the decision-making process that goes into deciding how to tweak those variables. The first port of call in managing an advertising account is setting the vision and the goals for the account. For this, you need to ask the question, what do I want? Without doubt, every time I ask this question to clients, I get the same answer, a better return on investment. But what is important is to find out how you want to receive that. And it comes in two packages. The first is more sales for the same amount of advertising budget, or the same amount of sales with a cost saving. The decision will affect almost every other decision that you make within the account, so make sure you figure it out from the beginning. Here we have a diagram showing the relationship between budget, return on investment levels, and the reach of the campaign. Once you know what you want to achieve from the account, you can start to implement your goals in a clear decision-making process. And this starts with knowing what the state of the budget is. Are you maxing out your budget, or do you still have some spare left over every day? On the left-hand side, you can see one example where the budget is being maxed out and the return on investment is good. This is an ideal situation to expand the account. Similarly, you can see when the return on investment is bad, then a reduction in the account is necessary. Reducing and expanding the account is essentially taking an account and padding out the variables so they are a bit broader and reach a wider audience, or reducing those variables down so it's a more niche and narrow market that you're reaching. We can see a similar story with the accounts that are not meeting their budget on the right hand side of the diagram, with the level of expansion needed in the account depending on those ROI levels.